Hey everyone, my name is Hydro, and today we are going to be attempting something that has never been done before in Minecraft, and that is we are going to be building a pyramid around copper to see if it powers up a beacon. And as you guys can see, so we have our beacon, we have our copper, which I'm going to move to the first inventory row. And yeah, so we're going to be not making a level 1 beacon, but a level 4, which is the max level beacon, I mean. So firstly, we need 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, so we need 9 blocks around, and not just that, it also has to be covered from the inside as well. It shouldn't be hollow. The pyramid shouldn't be hollow, I mean. So yeah, so 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is the base. The base is going to be a 9 by 9. So in case you're planning to recreate it in the survival, if you're in the snapshot version of Minecraft 1.17 and you're planning to recreate this in survival, this is how you can do so. So this is the base, as you guys can see, and it's not yet completely yet because we need to fill in these holes. Otherwise the beacon won't work, and it's going to be a power 1 beacon itself. I mean a level 1 beacon itself. And yeah guys, so I'm going to quickly finish building this base and be right back. All right, guys, so I'm back, and as you guys can see, so I have added a second layer as well. And so we're going to be building the third layer and then the fourth and final layer, and then we can get ready and see if this actually powers up the beacon. And the reason I'm not doing this boring stuff off camera is just to show you guys that this in fact is completely made out of copper, that this pyramid is completely made out of copper, because even if a single thing changes, so say if I put like a random piece of gold in the middle, it could change how the beacon reacts. And that's the reason I'm completely doing it on camera, except for the second base, of course. And yeah, guys, so it's almost done. And I've just noticed that village household there looks massive. I've never seen that kind of house before. But anyway, so back to topic, we have completed building the pyramid. And now it's the moment of truth. So let me just place it over here. Oh gosh, guys. So unfortunately, it looks like the beacon will not power up, because I'm going to show you, say, let's say a gold block. All right. So as you guys can see, so this is how the beacon should power up. This is how it should react. But unfortunately, it's not reacting like that in this copper, which means that we do not yet have copper powered beacons, which means you cannot make easy beacon pyramids in survival, unfortunately, right now. And so yeah, guys, that completely proves it. And with that, we have come to a conclusion, and hopefully, copper-powered beacons should be added into the game very soon. And with that, we have come to a conclusion in this video. So if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and in the meantime, go ahead and check out some of my other videos that are on your screen right now. And I'll catch you guys over there. Now, see ya.